Hey guys, so in this video, we are going over 8 of the best side hustles that you can do from home. Yes, these side hustles are perfect for this quarantine, and if you want to replace any lost income or just make more money in general, definitely watch this video through. We'll go over these specific side hustles that can make hundreds of dollars per day, and a lot of them actually allow you to start getting paid right away, which is always a good thing. So let's get started. So the first side hustle on my list is being a virtual assistant, and this can make you anywhere from $50 to $200 per day. Well, first of all, what is a virtual assistant? This is someone that works remotely who helps another person with any specific tasks. It's basically an assistant that does all their work from a computer. So probably the best website where you can actually find these virtual assistant jobs is going to be on Upwork. And this is a freelancer website that lets you create a for hire listing. From then on, employers can actually find you and hire you. A quick glance at Upwork shows that most people in the US are charging between $15 and $30 per hour. This is definitely a great thing to do when you're stuck at home, and if you have a computer and internet connection, then you're all set. So when you're starting, you might have to start out with a lower rate just to get the initial clients and build up some reviews. But once you get those first initial reviews, then you can start increasing your rate. I think this is a great job for anyone that has experience with data entry, word processing, setting appointments, writing, and a lot more. Basically, any skills that you have that could help out your potential employer, make sure to list them on your profile. Now, the actual specific work that you will be doing depends on your employer and what they want you to do. It's probably going to be a lot of busy work, but that also probably means it's not going to be the toughest job in the world. This is also cool because you will get to see the back end of a lot of successful companies and entrepreneurs. If you're working for them, you will learn how they built their business and also how they structure their activities, and this will help you out in the future. Right now, there are people earning thousands and thousands of dollars on Upwork. And while I've never worked as a virtual assistant, I have definitely hired virtual assistants. It's for sure a win-win. You get to work and make money, and someone else gets to free up their schedule. And yes, you can actually work as a VA from any country, so you don't need to be actually living in the United States. Just keep in mind that there might be some time differences, but you'll have to work that out with your employer. This is a great and steady side hustle that can, depending on how much you work, really bring in a significant amount of income. The second side hustle that I'm talking about is actually tutoring people over Zoom and Skype. And by doing this, you can easily make $15 to $80 per hour. This is one that I have done, and there are many ways to go about it. First, you'll actually need to think about what subjects you can actually successfully tutor on. Then think about what grade levels you can actually teach. So most of the time, most people actually prefer in-person tutoring, but now is the time where everyone only wants online tutoring. So this is really the perfect time to actually get into this business and start to build up a client list. Second, you'll want to post a listing onto Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist. Also post on your Facebook and other social media accounts. Basically, what you're going to be doing is advertising your services and telling people why they should use you. List the subjects you teach, the grade levels, your credentials, as well as your rates. Remember, you don't need to drive to their house for these sessions, so your rates should be lower than in-person tutoring. As for the pay, lower level subjects and lower level grades typically get paid less, and then when you have the more complex subjects and higher grade levels, that's when you actually can get paid more. For example, if you can tutor people in the SAT, ACT, or AP level classes, you should definitely be charging at least $50, $60 per hour. For tutoring, getting the first client is the hardest part. After that, it's going to be a lot easier as you will get referrals and people will start to know your name. Just keep advertising on these websites, keep telling people, and soon enough, you will have multiple clients. Personally, I think that more and more tutoring will go online after this pandemic. So now really is the perfect time to set up your foundation for your business while everyone is at home. Teaching people is fun and it's also rewarding and it pays quite well. So definitely check out the side hustle if you have good knowledge and you have good teaching skills. So the third side hustle on my list is probably the most crazy, and this is actually creating compilation videos on YouTube. This can easily earn you $50,000 or more per year if you do it right. So a lot of people don't know that there are tons of opportunities to make money on YouTube, even if you don't want to actually make videos yourself or be in videos. The easiest way to make money on YouTube, in my personal opinion, is to make these compilation videos. I talked more about this in the last YouTube video I posted about TikTok. And yes, I will link that below. So here is how it works. All you have to do is pretty much download TikTok videos that are trending on the app and edit them into one YouTube video. Now, once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time for your account, you will be able to actually monetize it using Google AdSense. Just note that TikToks with copyrighted music cannot actually be monetized, but that doesn't mean that you can't sell ad space on the actual video itself. So yeah, there are tons of channels out there on YouTube that are doing this exact same thing, and they are making a killing. And actually, there are some TikTok compilation videos that you can monetize. For example, any TikTok that has an original sound, which just means that people are talking or there's background noise, you can actually take those videos, put them all into one compilation video, and actually monetize that on YouTube. So let's take a look at this channel. You can see that they have almost 2 million subscribers and they get thousands and thousands of views on all their videos. I guarantee you that this channel is making at least $100,000 per year. Now, it doesn't seem like most of their videos are monetized. I actually went through about 5 of them and none of them had ads on them. But they are still getting a lot of views and they are selling ad space to companies in the middle of their videos. So here is an example of an ad that's placed right directly into the middle of their video. So yes, it would be nice to monetize these videos and also sell this ad space, but still selling this ad space to companies can be quite lucrative. I'm not sure exactly how much money they're getting paid, but with the numbers of views that they are getting on their videos, I know it's going to be quite good. So yes, this is definitely a more out of the box idea for a side hustle. And you can really expand on this idea with other types of videos. It doesn't just have to be TikTok videos. Any type of popular content that you can actually take and make a compilation video of is going to lead to a lot of revenue. Okay, the fourth side hustle on my list is actually selling homemade masks. And this can make you between $50 and $300 per day. Please note, I'm not talking about selling N95 masks or medical grade masks. Doing that is actually not allowed on all of these e-commerce platforms, especially if you are selling for inflated prices, which is just unethical. What I'm talking about is making cotton and polyester masks, so these non-medical grade masks that everyone will be wearing for who knows how long. These masks don't really help prevent people from getting the virus, but it really does help prevent the spread of the virus. So since these masks are mandated for many areas and it's just very smart to wear one in public, demand for them has actually gone through the roof. I see a lot of opportunity making masks that are more creative, that have designs on them, and that aren't like your typical black masks that you can buy a 20 pack of on eBay. So if you take a look on Etsy, you can see that there are hundreds of sellers selling these masks. They're all homemade and a lot of them have very cool designs. These designs actually make them really attractive for people who want to show off their style or just want to have a unique style when they go out in public. Let's take a look at this seller who is selling their masks for $14.99 each. At the top of the page, it says that they've sold 975 units. That's almost $15,000 of revenue, and these masks don't cost a lot of money to make. The supplies are very, very cheap. As long as you're buying your fabric in bulk from like a fabric wholesaler or Michaels or any other store that sells fabrics, these are gonna have a very high profit margin. You can also sell on other platforms such as eBay, Amazon, even Facebook Marketplace. The more platforms you're selling on, the better your sales will generally be. So if you have a good product, if you're able to design a cool mask, definitely put it on all of these platforms. You'll also feel good knowing that you are creating a product that is helping to prevent the spread of coronavirus. Once mask demand actually drops, you can start to make other things like t-shirts and other clothing because now you'll have built up this customer base. So yeah, this is a great side hustle if you do love hand making things. Okay, so my fifth profitable side hustle that you can do from home is to actually be a freelance writer on Fiverr. And this can make you anywhere from $5 to $200 per article. If you are a solid writer and you do want to build a side hustle actually writing articles for people, then getting started on Fiverr is a great way, especially right now. Basically how it works is people will hire you to actually write articles and they'll tell you the specifications that they want. And from those specifications, you'll actually come up with an article and write it yourself. The beginning of this is very hard. That is getting your first initial clients and getting your first initial reviews. Building a bunch of good reviews takes a lot of time and it takes doing a lot of jobs that you normally would not want to do. So yes, you will probably have to do more of these lower paying jobs at first, but if you hustle at that and you find good clients that you can actually talk to outside the platform for more recurring work, then that's gonna boost your revenues tremendously in the future. There are a lot of writers on Fiverr that price their base packages between $5 to $20 per article. I would recommend doing this at first because it will attract your initial clients. Don't worry too much about the pay at first, but you really do want to get those 5-star reviews. Then later on, as you get more and more reviews, you'll want to actually upsell your clients on your more expensive packages. So most people on Fiverr actually have a basic package, and then a standard package, and lastly a premium package. Most premium clients will probably want the more premium article, so they will select your premium package and you will make more money that way. One thing I see people doing on Fiverr that seems very smart is creating listings for very specific articles. For example, we see people advertising recipe articles, skyscraper blog posts, essential oils, and really the list is endless. Any specific topic that you may be good at writing about, I would actually create a listing for that specifically. This way it's just easier for people to actually find you. When they search up something specific, your listing will come up. Now, the whole goal of this is to become a pro verified account. This means that you are verified by Fiverr to do professional and quality work. What this does is it allows you to actually attract more high-end clients and charge more money per article. And then what I recommend doing is once you find these high-end clients that pay you a lot of money, you can always freelance for them outside of the platform. This leads to more recurring work and a huge boost in your income. One of my friends, who I will actually be interviewing for this channel, makes multiple 6 figures per year as a freelance writer on Fiverr. Now granted, she's been doing it for at least a few years, so definitely don't expect to be paid that much when you start out, but just know that it is completely possible. Stay tuned for that video because I think it's gonna be extremely interesting to see how she actually built up her business. If you love writing, then this could be the perfect side hustle for you. The 6th profitable side hustle on my list is transcribing. Transcribing is basically taking video or audio and then typing everything that's being said. There are tons of platforms for this, such as GoTranscript, Rev, and Tigerfish. And from transcribing, you can expect to make between $10 to $30 per hour. If you are a very fast typer, then this could be a great way to actually make some money from home. It definitely is not as profitable as some of the other side hustles on here, but this seems to be a lot more consistent and stable. I have to reiterate that you have to be able to type really fast for this side hustle to make sense. If you are a slow typer, then you won't be making too much money because they pay you by the minute of audio transcribed and not just how much time you spend typing. For example, GoTranscript pays up to 60 cents per audio minute. And yes, we're talking about audio minutes, not minutes that you spend actually working. This comes out to about $36 per hour of audio, which is actually pretty great. To sign up, first they'll actually have you do a test job to actually test your skills. This is to actually show that you are proficient in English and you are a skilled typer. Like I said before, this is probably a more stable but lower paying side hustle. If you're stuck at home and you have nothing to do and you just want to type, then this is literally the perfect job. Especially if you are living in a lower cost of living country, but you still have good English skills and good typing skills, then this is actually a really solid wage that you can live off of. So I will include a link to GoTranscript in the description below. If transcribing does seem like a side hustle you want to pursue, they're one of the best transcription services out there. Okay, number 7 on my list is teaching English online, and this can pay you at least $20 per hour. English is the language that everyone is trying to learn in the world. So as an English native, you already have a huge advantage when it comes to getting jobs like this. There are tons of websites that will allow you to teach English online to foreign people. To get started, you probably will need a bachelor's degree, so definitely keep that in mind. If you don't have a bachelor's degree, you can still freelance on your own, but a lot of these websites will require a degree. Teachaway is probably the best known platform for teaching English online, and they make it really simple to apply for the jobs that are listed on their website. A quick search of their platform shows that there are thousands of jobs that you can apply for right now. You'll actually want to sort by the ones that are online, and then you'll want to check the requirements to see if you meet them, and then apply if you do. Teaching English online is rewarding, and you will meet a lot of cool people from foreign countries. Countries like China have a huge demand for learning English. And after you get your first client, they will likely refer you to their other friends who do have children who are in need of English tutoring. Trust me, there are a lot of people in these countries that have a lot of money and really want to hire native English speakers for their children to actually learn the language and culture. I'll leave a link to Teachaway in the description below if you are interested. This can be a great job and side hustle for anyone that just wants to teach from home and get paid pretty well. Okay, the last one on my list, number 8, is Amazon FBA, and this has unlimited earning potential. If you have not heard of Amazon FBA before, It stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. It's a way that you can sell your products on Amazon while having them do everything for you. I've been selling on Amazon for 4 years now, so this is all from personal experience. Please note, this is a quick summary, and I will be making a full video about this later on. It's honestly one of the best side hustles in the world. So here's how it works. The first step is you buy products in bulk, probably from overseas where it is cheaper. After that, you ship them directly to Amazon's warehouse. The products you buy can be existing products if you're trying to do wholesaling, or you can create custom products that you actually label yourself, and this is called private labeling. Once Amazon receives the products, you will have to create a listing and put high quality pictures and text describing your product. Customers want to see a polished listing before they actually commit and buy your product. Now, when a customer orders your product from Amazon, Amazon will actually pack it and ship it for you. They also handle all the customer service. Yes, they do take a pretty big cut of your sale, but if your margins are good enough, you will still make a lot of money doing this. Your own Amazon FBA business has the potential to make unlimited income, but it is the most risky business that you can start that's on this list. Why? It's because you have to buy these products in bulk and you have no guarantee that they will actually sell. You have to do the research to see what products sell, the profit margins, and if you have a reasonable shot at beating out the competitors. After the initial work, which can be quite extensive, this is a pretty passive business. I have my store running by itself, and every few months, I'll just go to my supplier and place another order. There really isn't too much involvement beyond that once you get a good set of products. Yes, people are making millions of dollars on Amazon FBA each and every year, but it is quite hard to do so. I still think it's a very viable business model, and people new to this platform are still seeing tons of success. If this does interest you, I encourage you to do more research and see if it's something you actually want to do. You will need startup capital, and you will be taking a risk for sure. So arguably, the most important thing you actually have to do to be a successful Amazon FBA seller is the product research. This is what's going to help you find a winning product and not a losing product. I use Jungle Scout for my research, and I'll actually leave a link in the description below. It tells you all the stats like sales per month, revenue, profits, competition, and a lot more. It is definitely the essential tool you'll need if you want to start. So yeah, overall, I've had good success with Amazon FBA, so I did want to include it in this list. You can do it from literally anywhere, and yes, you can sell in the US, even if you are from another country. So that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys got some value out of this video, and I hope at least one of these side hustles really resonated with you. If you're staying at home, or you lost your job, or you just want to make more money, doing one of these side hustles right now could be really smart. I always tell people the importance of side hustles and creating multiple revenues of income. And who knows, if one of these things ends up being something that really works out for you, or that you really enjoy, then all of these side hustles you can scale up to create a large business. Hey, if you guys are interested in investing, make sure to check out Webull and claim your 2 free stocks worth up to $1,400. All you have to do is use my link below and deposit $100, and you will get 2 free stocks. It's a great and reliable trading platform, and it's completely free to use. So yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure to share this with a friend who might benefit from this information, and also like and subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this. I make tons of videos about personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. All right, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.